Hey everybody, we're out here at the Leaf. It's the Llano Earth and Art Festival on the banks of the Llano River in Llano, Texas. So we're just gonna explore around and check out the Volkswagens. They have a coinciding Volkswagen event today. So we're gonna check out some rock stacking, some artistic stuff, and some Volkswagens.
We're at the Llano Earth Art Festival. This is where the World Rock Stacking Competition takes place. They have flown in artists from all around the world. There's people that came in from Spain, from Europe, all over to play with rocks and earth art. So you have people that were flown in for art installations. There's a fish on the ground right here. There's a guy that stacks rocks on top of sticks over there. So basically what happens is everyone gets together, and most of the competitions you have 5 minutes to collect, and then you have 10 minutes to stack. And then today we have the artistic rock competition, and they get 6 hours for that. But there does have to be an actual stack somewhere in the artistic display. So it goes on for 2 days, but it's a 3-day festival, and there is like 3 to 5 judges, and then it's only $5 for entry, so it's super affordable and fun, and it's a great time for the whole family. Yeah.
Hi, how are y'all today? My name is Randy Champ. I'm out of Fort Worth, Texas. I drive a 1967 VW Westie. We do this festival every year. This is our 4th year to do it. It's part of LEAF, which stands for Llano Earth Art Fest. They invited us to come down the first year, and we only had 8 cars show up, and now we're up to about 37, 38 cars, and it's actually growing every year and getting bigger, and the ones that came this year are promising they want to come back, and trying to compete with other shows here in the state of Texas is tough. But they have the World Rock Stacking Championship this weekend here in Llano, Texas. They come from Spain, Ireland to stack, UK is here representing the UK. And it's a festival. It's a 4-day festival all weekend. And here is the trophies for this year. We have best car, best bus, best engine, best interior, and least likely to make it home.
All right, well, we've seen a lot of pretty nice Volkswagens out here and a lot of rock stacking, and people are leaving now, and it's been a really beautiful day here in Llano. We just took a tour of the old jail over here, and now we're gonna say goodbye to all these Volkswagens. And if you're interested in this festival coming out next year, I'll put the information below in the link. Thanks for watching.